it's Kerry. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to those of you who are new here. Today's video is going to be another shopping haul, another plus size shopping haul I might add, this time from Fabletics. So it's been a little while since I've done a Fabletics review, so I was recently browsing through their website as I usually do once a month. And they had another sale on and I might just have bought some more leggings. I think I also bought a bra top as well to work out. So let's see if I can remember. So I think I remember ordering pink and white leggings. Yes, I did. So I have some pink ones, Oasis high-waisted pocket, 7/8 length. Which with a 7/8 length may as well be full length on me because I am a short ass. And some of the leggings, Oasis high-waisted pocket leggings in sky purple. So that's nice. I will put the prices in the bottom. All of these were in an XXL, I think. And what did I get here? Yes, another bra top. So the bra, Hayley Seamless Bra Black in extra large. So I will try these on. I know this one, what's it saying here? The purple ones were originally $74.95. These ones were, this one was £40 originally, and these pretty ones, again, these were $80. Now I never pay full price products, or never pay for full price on Fabletics products. I always shop in their sale because I like to think of myself as a savvy shopper. But let's try them on. I will put the in the description below, I will leave details of how much I've actually paid for them. So yeah, let's crack on. So these are the Oasis high-waisted 7/8 leggings with the pockets in the size. These are in the colour Sway. I do really like this colour. I'll just come a little bit closer so you can see the pattern. So it's kind of like a pink and a lilac and white. These again are high-waisted, not like super high-waisted, so they do fit really nice. Now I've gone for an XXL because I do find that Fabletics come up one size too small for me, and I prefer not to be too constricted around my waist when I'm working out. So I went for these ones. In terms of the length of them, they come, on me, they come down to my ankle, but I guess normally they would come just above your ankle, but I'm only 5'4", so they do tend to come up a little bit longer on me anyway. But I really like having the pockets at the side, which is great for when I go for a run. I'm not necessarily going to say I'm going to go for a run in these at this time of the year because they would get absolutely filthy, but they are really soft. I'm not sure if these are the luxe ones or not. Don't think they are. The luxe ones have more of a like a cotton feel to them, but these are, they've got a fair amount of give in them. Sometimes they come with pockets in the front, but these don't, obviously, because you've got the pockets down the side here. Yeah, these are really nice actually, so I shall look forward to wearing these when my Peloton bike arrives, which should be later this week, and I will be showing you a video on that and the setup of it. But for now, I'm very happy with these, and let's now try on the sky purple ones, which again, another Oasis one, so they should have pockets on them. So these are the Oasis high-waisted pocket leggings. So I scrap what I said before about them having the pocket in here. They don't. Again, they have the pockets on the side, and this is the pure luxe material. So these are the ones that feel super soft, and boy do they feel super soft. So yes, they do have the pockets down the side. These are the XXL in the regular length, so they're not the 7/8 ones. And you can see, probably not the best way to, but I do get a little bit of gathering around the knees on the regular size, but I'm a little bit wary about going down to the short length as opposed to regular, because I think they will probably come up just a little bit too short for me. So that's the problem with being 5'4". But yes, they do gather around the knees a little bit, as you can see. But other than that, they fit really nicely. They're a gorgeous colour actually. I must admit, lilac is probably one of my favourite colours, or anything in the purple, pinks or reds ranges. I like really bright colours, and these are going to be perfect. So I will probably wear these for yoga or on the spin bike and Peloton when it arrives. So yes, very happy with these. I am now going to try the bra. So here is the sports bra. It's one with a medium, I think it's medium impact, either light or low or medium impact anyway. And it's got a slight V shape coming across here. I do feel well supported, or no, not quite as supported underneath as perhaps I would do normally. I don't know whether this has got the little, yeah, it's got the bits that pull out of the side. So yes, if I move those down a bit, yes, then I feel a little bit more supported around my bra. So it's got the little pads that are adjustable that you can do. So I found one, I can't find the other one, so now my boobs are going to look lopsided. But I know there will be one. It's usually, there it is. So it's about here on the bra, and you can actually pull these down. And yes, that's better. I feel a bit more supported now. So they do have these adjustable ones, but what I have found when I wash them is that they fold in half, which is then not very comfortable. So you always have to adjust that after you have washed them. But I've gone for one that isn't crisscrossed on the back, and it does feel really, really comfortable, and I'd be quite happy going out jogging in this, to be quite honest. Or maybe not jogging, but I wouldn't feel so self-confident as to not be able to wear it outside. I am quite conscious of my figure. Excuse me, frog in the throat. But yeah, I feel quite happy about this one. I did read on one of my fitness groups that I was watching the other day, there was a larger lady that went out running, and she felt hot, so she took off her top. She had a bra top on like this, and then the leggings, so there was a bit with her belly showing out, and some guy decided that he was going to drive past her and yell at her saying, "Ugh, gross, put your top back on." Not cool. Not cool. Guys, if you're watching, please don't do that. It's not very nice. Anyway, that's enough of that rant. But yeah, I'm really, really happy with this bra. But the age-old Fabletics problem has hit again, and it's only a tiny one, but it's probably just me. Why do you need such a long label? Because that is then going to stick down your butt. Not nice, down your butt crack. There's also one on here as well. So super, super long, very annoying. I tend to cut them off. Oh, and I forgot to say, this is in an XL, not a double XL. So this is an XL because I am smaller on top than bottom, and XLs fit me fine at Fabletics in the tops. It's just the double XL that I go in with the leggings. Anyway, that is enough for today. That is all for today. And I hope you have liked this video. If you have, please give it the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.